Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. As you see, our layout is looking ready, but it is not mobile friendly at the moment. Let me show it to you. Let's make it a little bit smaller. You see, it doesn't look great. So we need to make it mobile friendly. I just need to add some more CSS code. Add media. As you know, we use media to assign CSS for mobile view. Only screen and maximum width 550 pixels and calibrate. Let me make it wider. So I need to change the view of our layout when we look at it on our mobile phone. So I need to assign CSS to container. Our container, guys, is our main div, as you see. Create template columns 1fr. It means I want to see just one fraction, and create template rows 0.4 fr, 0.4 fr, 2.2 fr, 1.2 fr, 1.2 fr, 1.2 fr, and 1 fr. Each value represents each area. For example, 1 fr is representing our footer, that one is representing our header section. Create template areas. Let's assign our areas. So we want to see one fraction. It means I just need to see what fraction I want to see at my first row. I want to see first now. After then I want to see sidebar, and then want to see main area, then want to see new, and then want to see content 1, then content 2, and content 3, then footer section, and save it. Let's make it smaller and see the change. We see exactly the same order as we type here. So we can make our layout mobile friendly like this. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.